Hello, class. So we recently went and created our frequency chart, and I wanted to quickly go over those steps in this video, since, as we all know, trying to see all the small font onto the screen, that's the easiest of things to recall. The data set that I used was the president data set, which is visibly here on the screen, from Washington through the second inauguration of Trump. And I wanted to find that frequency chart for this political party column. So all I just did was just highlight it. That way, all the stuff, the location's already in there for when I actually need to go around and use it. So for this, I'm going to go to Insert, and you should see an option that says Pivot Table, which is the one I'm going to use here. And when this pops up, you shouldn't have to be changing anything from here unless you really want to change where it is, but should not be necessary. I'm just going to hit OK. And this pops up, right? So you could see it's going to populate here on the left once I go about to putting that on there. But I'm going to take that political party column that we just highlighted. I'm going to put that where it says rows, right? And as you can see, that populates all of the row labels for those different political parties. Likewise, I'm going to click and drag political party also to values, so we could get those counts for all of those. And as you can see, that creates this particular frequency chart. Now, for us to get the actual relative frequency, I am going to right-click where it says values. And that pops up a whole bunch of options, and sadly, the option we need decides to be off the page. That is awkward. Quickly resize this. Let me right-click that again. There we go. The option that we want is the field settings here on the all the way on the bottom. Doing that should give us this particular pop-up, and it already has summarize by on here. I want to change that to show data as. And where it says no calculation, I'm going to click that and change this to percent of grant total. Hitting OK will then change each of those counts to those different percentages. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.